Did you know that alcohol affects your sleep, your ability to detox, and your metabolism? And exactly how much is considered moderate? If you are on a journey towards a healthier body and lifestyle, watch this video. I'm Maddie Owens with IamFitandFabulous.com. If you're new here, this channel is for women who want to learn healthy behaviors and empower themselves to create lasting changes in their lives. Don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to your Healthy Living Crash Course. Today we're going to talk about alcohol. So what exactly is alcohol? Alcohol is formed when yeast ferments or breaks down without oxygen the sugars found in different foods. For example, wine is made from the sugar in grapes, beer is made from the sugar in barley, cider is made from the sugar in apples, and vodka is made from the sugar in beets, potatoes, and other plants. So why am I asking you to eliminate alcohol for 10 days each month? There's been much in the news lately about the benefits of moderate amounts of alcohol, and I don't disagree. But here's the thing. For one, a lot of people don't really appreciate what the word moderate really means. That's 5 ounces of wine, 12 ounces of beer, and 1.5 ounces of spirits. In reality, these are really small amounts. And for two, there are a lot safer ways to achieve relaxation and improved antioxidant status, such as exercise and a diet rich in fruits, veggies, and berries. Since the body can't really store alcohol, as soon as you drink it, you trigger pathways to break it down. These pathways shunt energy and enzymatic resources that would otherwise be used to help with detoxification. The bottom line is that alcohol deters from my program because it disrupts sleep, normal liver function of detoxification, and normal liver function of metabolism. Let's talk about sleep. You may be wondering why alcohol can disrupt sleep because a lot of people use it as a sleep aid. The reality is that the byproducts of alcohol disrupt normal sleep because the brain is trying to multitask. Your brain is trying to get deep sleep, delta waves, while trying to create a relaxed, awakened state, alpha waves, at the exact same time. Having both delta alpha activity together therefore disrupts sleep because the alpha waves tend to offset the restorative efforts of the delta waves. These opposing alpha-delta brain patterns during sleep have been linked to daytime drowsiness, waking up not feeling rested, and symptoms such as headaches and irritability. Now let's talk about the normal liver function of detoxification. Your liver is your main organ for detoxification of alcohol, as well as other toxins that we're regularly exposed to in the environment. When you overdrink, you activate a phase 1 enzyme called cytochrome 2E1. In the absence of the alcohol challenge, cytochrome 2E1 is one of the first on the scene's detoxification enzymes. It gets ramped up to begin transforming toxins into molecules that can then be eliminated. The other guidelines in my program and the use of Juice Plus capsules and complete shakes are all set up to induce both phase 1 and phase 2 detoxification enzymes in the liver. Drinking alcohol shuns energy and enzymes away from that effort. Now let's talk about the normal liver function of metabolism. Alcohol is broken down in the liver by both the enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase and the enzyme system microsomal ethanol oxidizing system. Say that 5 times fast. This breakdown causes toxic damaging products such as acetaldehyde, which disrupts sleep, and free radicals, which cause sickness and illness. These byproducts interfere with the normal metabolism of other nutrients, particularly fats, and they also contribute to liver cell damage. If those reasons aren't enough for you, consider this. Alcohol disinhibits. That's why it's easy to forget you don't really want that pizza after having some wine or beer. Instead of alcohol, try mixing some of your favorite fruits or fruit juices into seltzer water. Don't forget to download the Healthy Mocktails recipe book guide that came with your nutrition package. You are stronger than you think, and I know you can eliminate alcohol for the first 10 days of each month. Thank you for attending today's Healthy Living Crash Course. I have some questions for you to answer to check your comprehension. Until next time. The next video in this series will cover caffeine, and as always, here's my recommended video.